Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
So today, with reference to the illegal Borewells which are in Dharwadkar colony and Serao colony in Chimbel, the court has passed a detailed order stating that till date only 29 Borewells have been sealed. They have directed the Secretary of the Water Resources Department to be impleaded as a party. They have also directed him to immediately coordinate with the officers to take strict action and also submit a report by 15th of July. Furthermore, the court has also asked the Panchayat to file an affidavit stating what action has been taken by them till today with reference to the illegal construction. They have also informed the Water Department Resources to take recourse to the provisions available in the Water Resources Act. Furthermore, the department had made a submission that there are 12 regularization applications which have been filed before them. The court has said that no regularization applications will be granted and has directed them to place that in the court.
What is the specific direction for Panchayat, village Panchayat?
The specific direction to the Panchayat is to file an affidavit saying what actions they have taken and also to place on record what inspections they have carried out.
When is the next date of
Next date is on 15th of July.